we have completed installation of Adobe FileReader. So now we are opening our PDF. Okay, just open it. Click open here, or you can click here. You can open PDF file or image. Okay, just select our PDF. It will show so many options. In that, page range is most important. Suppose my PDF have 24 pages. That's why whenever I'm clicking all, it is selecting from 1 to 24. Okay, if I want to open some particularly some pages, you can open it also. Like I'm selecting all. When I'm selecting one, it will automatically turn to pages 1 to 8, comma 9 to 12, comma 15 to 18, comma 19, sorry 20, comma 21, 22, like this. I can open like this also. Okay, before video I told you now we have opened our PDF in two ways. Like suppose I'm opening fourth page, I'm clicking options. First way, this is first way. I'm clicking options. In that scanner open settings, it was chosen automatically read acquired page images. Okay, I'm clicking open. Now just see it opening. 0 of 1 of pages open. Reading 0 of 1 page is processing. Shit, sorry, this is empty page. I'm selecting fifth page. And here scanner open. Here automatically read acquired page images. This is one way. Click open. It is showing two options: opening and reading. Opening means page. Reading means it automatically select the text area and give the extracted text like this. You can zoom in, zoom out with like this. Okay, this is one way. If I don't want to open total PDF in this way, I can choose manual joining. Like I'm zooming out. I'm selecting this thing. Delete, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete. I'm clicking text, draw text area. I can select like this. But see, here in text area, there is no data. Okay. After that, you have to right click. After joining, you have to right click on the page, click read page. It will like here. Okay. This is one way, but actually I don't like this way. Why? Because suppose our PDF have 24 pages. When Adobe FileReader automatically join, it will join unnecessary things like from the page starting onwards, it has page numbers, other name. This page also have same. This page also have same. But I don't want those things. And in suppose in this page, maybe suppose Adobe FileReader it does not know about this is a table or this is a text. That's why maybe Adobe FileReader it will take a text also, but actually this is a table now. So that's why I am preferring manual joining. For that, you have to click PDF. I am opening 24 pages, but in options I am selecting do not process acquired page images. Okay, click OK. Click open. Now it is showing only opening. is showing our 24 pages here. In thumbnails, you can select details also. Okay. We no need to join cover image. Why? Because we are taking cover image from Adobe Photoshop. Okay. I'm closing this property. I can reopen by clicking this. If there is no auto joining, that's why it does not show any page recognition. Okay. That's why I'm deleting this page. Delete from document. Click yes. Double click it. This is empty page. So no need. Delete. Yes. Yeah, this page has some text. Before that, we have to know about the software. This is for selecting text area. This is for picture area. But our clients may not ask images from Adobe Finder. They will ask only from Adobe Photoshop. That's why we are not taking any pictures from Adobe Finder. Okay. This is for table joining. Okay. I am clicking text, selecting this. Adobe Finder has 4 types of design, 4 types of blocks. This area is for showing total pages. This area is for image. This area is for text. This area is for selecting the text without interrupting. Interrupting means suppose I am selecting here now. See, here it is showing only green border, but here it is showing some light green background. Okay, this is without background. Okay, this page was completed. Next page, I can click here to go to next page. I can click here to go to next page. Otherwise, I can double click here. Okay, this is white image, no problem. Next page, this is also text. So I can join here or I can join here also. Okay, I can resize in 3 ways: 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is showing only image area. When I'm selecting like this, it is showing only text area. I can see at a time in 3 views also. Next page, you can select forward on this page. Next, empty page. Next, acknowledgement area. You can select total. No need to select this page number. Okay, this is empty page. This is contents, but I'm selecting only forward, acknowledgement and chapter 1 only. Why? Because I have taken forward, front matter, part 1 and chapter 1 only. That's why. Okay, I no need remaining all chapters. No need to join this page. Why? Because I have already taken 1 chapter only. Part, empty page. Next, selecting text. You can select like this for total page. Next, yeah, this is a table, but this is a text now. Table title. That's why I'm selecting. This is a text. For table, click table. Click select whole table. Right click on it. It will show some table properties. In that particularly analyze table structure. Click it. It will automatically select each and every row. If it does not automatically select, just I'm deleting it. Join. You have to join manually. Like select a table. After that, vertical separator. Click this 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, horizontal separator 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, but here GNP is merged cells. Here industrial production is merged cells. That's why I'm clicking select. Just drag these two cells, right click, click merge cells. Here also same merge cells. After that, these two are merging rows. Select it, select merge rows. Sorry, merge cells only. This is normal text again. From here onwards, normal text. Click next. No need to zone, page numbers, headers and footers. Almost completed. After joining all the pages, just see it is showing like this, but it is showing any not, this page does not have any zoned areas. That's why it is showing like this. I'm selecting this 8, 6, 2. Why? Because these pages are empty pages. That's why I'm deleting this 2, 6, 8, 12. Okay, so I think so 7 also. Okay, 7 has text but it does not do. That's why I'm deleting. Okay, okay, text zoning was completed but data was not extracted. So next we have to extract the data.